Hello, Sarjubalana.
Hello, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I party
Kamay to no ngasigi kano sibo yamna lubo oigibra ngasi kamay to gi ngasigi sibo.
I say fight ne aduga profession fight di lu live I like sa. You know the group say am na pam ni na idea connect with weapon sama like ko do no concept pa fight wo ni na.
Okay.
I su yam na ka ta section na sana re aduga full round di sana ko round ne gi sir. Alo full round di sana re aduga apun bagi decision da ai na unanimous na win oire sa.
Okay, yam nungai ado koi mapung oina habiu atai kari haning habiu.
Adagi yam nungai akogi koi Manipur da giso koi si laki ba koi Melbourne da lai bai se kai do ne laki re adagi mo koi support ingonda energy hai tare ne I story adagi
lauri ne koi indira na
lauri eding mo thak ta ida adagi ai ta sen hal da ai si ke fight se Manipur da so si violence da tawni na ai so after ai fight decision matung da ai na so koi kano tawe sige fight ai na dedicate to ba so you can know the ba so ki sin now my sin now sin like to sin da na sige fight ai sige win jai tare
Oi.
Sige my pa ko ai na dedicate to
Okay. Kamai.
Mana so na kano tabing ki matuta so ai jai
Yam nungai ado mafam duda di atopa kari lebiri masi khaktagira atopa kari lebiri Australia gi Melbourne da laidu si hauji fight si khaktagira atopa kari lebiri
mane ai gi fight si khutangi la khune adu duga fight sing asi lore ai hayeng mathang ki flight ne amo ka return India gi pa adu date 18 da nai gi impal da ai gi yum dai dai amo kano to ba yo khata ba
Okay
hayeng na khoi da la ni
evening se dinner se ko isi oga kano lai
ngarang ai madam Sarjubalana number pi gibane aduga wari sanaro to da ina nahaki number do pi gibane ahing da mogi na hing hai tare khoi gi na midang da wari sanabiro khoi gi kano si
jini master ko haibire
ai Zenimax tagi lobane number do ina lawraga ai yam tangna lakpani lai ngai du da na hai tare aduga Manipur gi hek thungi ba yam sat khiba sing si yam ba madam Sarjubalana hoi moi adum na sum tawduna leirabane adumai na hai tare adu yam nungai sing ngasi mai pak pusuni aduga ngasi gi mai pak pusima khai ba tare khoi gi lekhidraba athobu sing lamdam sigi thawai kat khraba iramdam sigi damakta punsi mang khraba makhoi da madugi keno to pithu ena haibi ba se am nungai jai aduga tek ta kaidana hai tare amuk hanbiro yumda amuk aduga yumda madugi nungai ba harau badung photo minerasi aduga mafam duda so thank you so much madam Sarjubalana akoi gi Sarjubu su mafam duda tarano
ko
okay thank you
akoi yom honer line okay thank
you
everyone
team punamok so madam gi team punamok su thagachari pulap lakpi ba yaubi bagi mayam du khar tambiro thank you
Indira and sina Indira
hi
adai sina ura ro samdai
ai na di
suri akoi yom ne
ai na di loi uzai ai na di loi uzai
akoi yom ne khara thawa yaubi yom hai tare akoi yom
yam noi jai amaroi na madam Indira su masak uzare aduga madam amadu su uzare yam noi jare hoi thank you so much madam thank you
hayeng na khoi da mula ani ma ai hayeng se ayung ta thabak taw ba tare adu nung bang waram doin unarani
madam gi
khoi da la ani hayeng
visit train item jing du kari Aru madam Indira hoi di visit train oi da bana tro
oide
okay
ai na oi ba moi de hayeng sangaroi ba thabak nei na ba
oh kesu kai de anyway thank you madam okay thank you
yam nungai jare
okay thank you thank you
live ko ucha phang ba yam nungai jare
thank you yam nungai jai direct Melbourne dagi live oina mayam do honjaba akhoi gi sham nungai jai thank you
hoi
yam nungai jare
And now for our opponents, working their way to the red corner, all the way from India, Sarjubalana. against a tough Thai. She doesn't speak much English, but she has one thing to say after tonight's performance.
Hello everyone. Thank you very much. And I'm glad to be here. And firstly, I want to thank God. And I want to thank Team DJMC and Nastan sir and Roshan sir also. And secondly, lastly, I want to dedicate this fight to who are dead in Manipur, India, in Manipur violence, who are dead in Manipur. So I want to dedicate this fight to our brother and sister who are sacrificing their life in Manipur violence in India. So thank you all. Thank you for love and support. Thank you so much.
It's a big time on the big stage. Remember this girl, Sarjubalana. First bout here tonight in the women's super flyweight division, fighting out the blue corner, weighing in officially at 51.2 kilograms, and fighting out of the Sintor Muay Thai gym in Chonburi, under the watchful eye of Tasanu, born and raised in Chonburi. Her record stands at 2 wins, 4 losses, including 2 wins by KO. Please welcome the Thai, Rani Cleanratri. Now for a opponent who'll be fighting out of the red corner, tipping the scales at 50, Sarjubalana. Both fighters are centering. Final instructions with your referee, Anthony Higgs.
Guys, you have instructions in your rooms. Remember, 3 basic commands. Stop, box. Okay?
This will be the first bout, 4 by 2-minute rounds. Looking forward to this blockbuster between Cleanratri and Sarjubalana.
Matabra. As, kamu mana Thai ya, lo madre.